the hate it or love it, FU Rolls-Royce Phantom Mansory 2027. This thing is insane. You guys see us do Mansory Rolls-Royces all the time. Did a 2027 black on yellow Phantom just recently. However, this belongs to a good client of ours that we have built several cars for, and he wanted to go a little different. It's a black on red car, and it's brand new, straight from the dealer, 2027, like I said, and now features the full Mansory kit and has a red PPF wrap on it. Yes, red. I don't know if I've ever seen a bright red Rolls-Royce before. Nevertheless, a Mansory Rolls-Royce. And this thing is insane. Like I said, you're either gonna hate it or you're gonna love it. I think I love it because it's super different. It's also a wrap and it could be changed later on. Everything is painted under it to the body color. So take the wrap off and you're sporting the black on red interior Phantom. But right now this thing is red. It's got the red guts. It has black and red accents all over it. The emblems, the spirit's red. The front grille teeth are all black and red. The wheels are black with red lettering all over them. It even has a hand-painted black pinstripe that goes along the side of the car. Absurd. This thing is a huge statement, and the owner of this car is definitely that guy that makes the statement. So pretty crazy build right here. Like I said, it's got the whole Mansory kit on the exterior. It's been lowered and it's been painted, then wrapped on top of it. So pretty cool. The PPF obviously will keep it nice and clean and scratchless. Obviously, you guys know right now colored PPF is the way to go, and vinyl is becoming obsolete at this point. So this thing looks insanely clean, looks like paint. Crazy build right here. You guys are gonna see more of it. It's going to Monterey. It's gonna be driven around. What's crazy is we have 2 days to finish another Mansory Rolls-Royce Phantom 2027, brand new car again, black on white, and we got to finish that in 2 days to go to Monterey as well. So we got our work up for us, and we're gonna be working real hard. We're not going to Monterey because we have to build all these cars. We have to do all the heavy lifting, all the crazy work. We're not just putting wheels on cars, we're doing full bodies, full paint jobs, suspensions, all kinds of stuff. So thanks for watching.
Buenos días. How are you, Papa?
Good, you?
Let me have the towel, please.
What is that?
Huh?
What is that?
My pet. Actually, my granddaughter has a rabbit. Happy birthday, hija. Happy birthday.
It's always someone's birthday in your family.
Yeah, it's huge family. It's gonna be 12.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So happy birthday, Deborah. I love you. I love you so much, and I hope you have a great 12th. We're going to where? Shakey's?
Disneyland.
Oh, don't say that. This one we upgrade the front. That's why it's gonna be a little bit. You know the front?
I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it yet.
I use the new
model.
And we're gonna use the new parts for the front. So we change more pieces. Que ese momento se quede grabado de mí para siempre. Hermosa experiencia, tenerte a mi lado. favorite person.
I don't think he likes you much anymore.
Why? He doesn't like me?
Yeah.
You don't like me no more? But why? I didn't do nothing.
Stop giving him lunch.
Huh?
Stop giving him
No,
lunch.
I'm gonna buy him Jersey Mike's tomorrow. He needs to come tomorrow.
Why?
I have some lowering links he needs to do. I can't get my hand out. Ay! Cabrón. We are doing some brakes on this car. Dealership gave him a price quote on this thing for front brakes. It was almost triple of what we gave him a price quote for. Same thing, same process, brand new brakes, same thing. So, yeah, you guys need anything mechanical, service related, whatever, come visit us. We'll take care of it. Javier's doing front brake pads right now. Front pads, front new rotor, sensors, and then we got a couple of more things to do on this guy before we're done. So, that's about it.
No llueve. Hace un calorón.
You talking to somebody?
Yeah.
Mine is for Paul.
No mames.
What?
No, no.
Why? I
Can you
hope.
bring back?
Yeah, let's go.
Like, I hope. You like this, huh?
Yeah. Come to the office.
Stop for that. It's not enough. You need like this thick.
I don't say I hate you. Say I hate you.
It just stands on
I didn't say hate.
I hate you.
No, I
Okay,
say
come on. I
hate.
gotta finish cars, man. I'm gonna change this handcrafted by RDB. Venom, G-Wagon, they call this the Mastodon. We were the first ones to get this kit in the US. However, it got sidelined a little bit because the same customer gave us many Mansory cars to build, 2 Cullinans, 3 Phantoms, all kinds of stuff. We tested it now, and now it's off the car because we're prepping it. We're gonna really get this underway. This is gonna be probably the craziest G-Wagon in the United States when we're done. So stay tuned. The front end is not that hard. The back end is where all the drama is because we have to cut the quarter panels because this G-Wagon goes from looking Mercedes-like to like a futuristic G-Wagon. So it's gonna be really cool when we're done. It's also matte black, which is the best color for this car and kit. Excited for that. We also have this crazy colored matte G-Wagon over there. But stay tuned for this. This is gonna be really, really sick.
Okay.
Wow, good for him.
Make sure.
What are we doing here?
Stop, man. I mean, it's good. Perfect. But I'm still gonna go off the test track. We have this BMW M8 Competition. Nice car, actually. Right now, I'm having a good time, actually, on a test drive. We got all the channels here, all the satellite channels, which is really cool. And this is robbery, by the way. They give it to you for 1 month free when you buy a new car, and after that, it's done. Take it away from you. Then you gotta pay $1 million to have it. Other than that, we're on a test drive on this BMW M8. Really cool car, actually. I like it, not bad. Doing a couple of stuff on the suspension on this car. The driver's front side was tie rods, in and out of tie rods were broken. We changed that, so we're good with that. Everything's new there. Also, the lower control arm was very, very bad. This car was not drivable at all. You can't even drive it. You can't even. We had to push it inside. So we're on a test drive just to make sure there's no noise, no vibrations, no problems. Alignment has been done as well. Car goes perfectly straight, and that's basically it for this one. We're headed back to the shop right now. This is a down payment for a house.
This is like 2 condos.
I don't know. I mean, what's I don't see anything 100,000 here.
This. You get Bob Marley for $100,000.
Maybe these might be a little okay. Let's just say fine, whatever. Maybe these, okay, designs or whatever. That's fine.
Convertible.
Convertible, 10 grand. Let's just say.